Link is on the rise. It's just absolutely unstoppable right now. It's not retracing at all from the targets we have planned. It's just so strong. Let's see here what we can expect next. I'm going to plan everything as always, so make sure to stay out till the end. It's extremely important so you can get really all the information you need to absolutely master the chart. We're going to cover all the different small waves here, everything, the possible trade setups, so you can really absolutely, as I said, crush the chart. As always, by the way, if you're enjoying the content I'm giving to you, where you can get some really cool trade setup, for example that one on the PP coin, another one by the way just before we have done here with that one right here, where you can get, for example, by the way, with all the insight and everything, you can get such very cool long trade, where for example I'm still long from 15,000. The long trade on Bitcoin, by the way, I told everyone that I was taking that long trade. Some long trade, you know, everywhere. For example, in the Matthias update here, you have also me telling you clearly that I'm buying 10k euros worth of PP coin, and so we've got the 20% increase we wanted, so that's pretty cool. We've made 20% in a week. You made 3% with a normal bank account, so this is just absolutely crazy. But yeah, if you want to get such content, really just join Discord 7. As always, if you're enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to the channel to not miss anything, to just smash a like, to just show the support really that you're enjoying the content here. And on this being said, let's get started. So first of all, we have two different configurations that we have planned in the last update. This first one here, where you know we are in a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and in a wave 5 next. And the second configuration was simply, you know, to look for a wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2 here to look for higher prices. So what we have done since then, it's very simple. We just have done this. We have done another wave 1, another wave 2 here, and another wave 1, another wave 2 here. So what we have to take here, it's simply, bam, we have to look for this yellow smaller wave here first of all. Okay, so we have this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we have to do here is simply to pull the wave 5 targets, because we're already in the wave 5. So to do so, you just have to pull your extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 4 bottom. From here, you're going to add your wave 5 target, so to speak here, 618, 121 extension, 1618, 2618. It looks a bit more probable right now, by the way. We can still stop around the 121 extension and with a swing through pan, but as always, it is more probable to go for the target that is not a swing through power, a double top or something like this. So we look for the next target, so to speak here, 1618. This will be the first target really. Next target is a 2618. These are the two targets if we don't do, of course, an extension. If we do an extension, then it's very simple. It's like, you know, for example, this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, massive wave 5 here. We are clearly in an extension at the moment, so you just have to do your smaller wave kind, find a smaller wave target. This is the only thing you have to do if we're in an extension. So right now, these are the targets we have above us. This one is the most probable one just above. From here, we should retrace in that case for the blue wave 4. How to find the blue wave 4? First, you have to determine what was the wave 2 here. To do so, you just place your retracement tool from the wave 1 top to the wave 1 bottom. Or as always, you do the opposite. It depends if you reversed your tool in your settings or not. I did reverse on my tool, so it's from the top to the bottom. From here, we can see that we have done exactly a 50%. A 50% is a regular wave 2. We have 73% chance to retrace between this 50% and the 618, 66%. So this is well respected. So from here, if we have done a regular wave 2, expect to be next in a regular wave 4. So what you can do here to find a wave 4 targets, you just need to pull your retracement tool from the wave 3 top to the wave 3 root, or the opposite as always if you did not reverse your tool in your settings. From here, you're going to use the following values: 2316, 31 and 32, that is the MC fib thing I've created here, and the 38.2. Where we have more chance to bounce after a regular wave 2, we have more chance to bounce between this zone of price. Now we have even more chance normally to retrace into the MC fib or into the 38.2. So we have more chance to retrace in here, but even more in here. Can we still bounce above? Yes, it's all about probabilities. We have less chance to bounce here, but it's still possible. Okay. So this right here, if we stop on the wave 3, on the wave 5, sorry, 1618, by the way, the yellow wave 5 1618, and we end the wave 3 here on this 1618, we're simply going to look for this wave 4 retracement here. Now the thing is, if we do, for example, a wave 5, we're gonna go bam into the 2618 of the wave 5. We've just placed in that case the wave 3 on that top, and we just take the retracement tool. Bam, first click on the wave 3 top and second click on the wave 3 root. In that case, the wave 4 bottom is going to be here. It's exactly the same. We just have to place the retracement tool like this. Okay. From here, what we'll have to do is simply to pull the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top. bam, to the wave 5, to the wave 4 bottom, sorry, to find the wave 5 targets. And so from here, bam, again, 618, 120 extension, 1618, 2618 will be the targets. For now, it's just too early to do this. Join the Discord server. I'm going to show you how you can do this really there. I mean, I'm going to update really live in the time everything so you can get everything, or I'm going to record some updates, but I'm most of the time posting on the Discord server before to record the updates, and sometimes, for example, it's late at night, so I'm not going to record an update. I'm gonna wait for the next day. So make sure to join the Discord server. Everything is here. Yeah, for now it's a bit early to determine the wave 5 because we don't even know if the wave 3 is going to stop here or on the 2618. So yeah, we have to wait a bit to see which one is going to be confirmed. But these are the two short targets, and this is a buy target really if we retrace from this wave 5 1618, so to speak, if we end the wave 3 here. Okay, so once we have done this wave 5 right here, we're going to be in that case, we have two different configurations here: bigger wave 5 or wave 5 is complete. Why? Simply because first configuration is this, where we are in an extension in a wave 5. So when we have done this, we have the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do have the 5 waves to complete this wave 5. So in that case, the wave 5 here is done. And so after this, in that case, we can look either for a bigger wave 3 top, you know, of this wave 1, 2, bam, 3, 4, 5. So we look for a bigger wave 3 to be completed, bigger wave 4, and another, bam, bigger wave 5 impulsive to the upside. If now we are in the other configuration, in the bearish plan, we're going to retrace from here very big, we're going to crash really. We're just going to make a C wave top. So it's either a wave 4 to bounce or either a crash. So to recognize if we have to take a long, for example, on the wave 4 or not, we just have to read a know the flow. This right here allows us to really make informed trading decisions, so we can really recognize if we have or not to take the trades, because you can see what's happening behind the market, so it's hard to be wrong, right? So anyway, this right here is the first possible configuration, and this was what we had to expect really if the wave 5 is in. Now, this is the first configuration we have into this wave 5, right? We have two different configurations in there. The second configuration is something a bit more bullish really, because we will just keep doing some wave 3, 4, or 5. The start is a bit different. It will not be, you know, a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll have a wave 5. It will be simply here a wave 1, 2, another wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2, and now we are in the blue wave. But once we have done the blue wave, we're simply going to look for this pink wave 3 top to be in. Then we have to do exactly the same retracement tool from here to here. We add the wave 4 targets, bam, these are the targets again, and from here we do exactly the same. We pull the extension tool for the wave 5, so third click on the wave 1 root, second click on the wave 1 top, third click on the wave 4 bottom. From here 618, 120 extension, 1618, 2618. These are going to be the wave 5 targets. And again, once we have done this wave 5, we look in that case for the bigger wave 3 here right there. Let me just pull everything more on the right so we can see a bit better what's happening here. So we are going to look for this a bigger wave 3 to be done, because we have to get 5 waves into this red wave 3. So once the pink waves are done, these are the smaller wave of the wave 3. So this is done, the wave 3 is done. In that case, we have to do exactly the same. Pull the retracement tool from the wave 3 top to the wave 3 root. We look again for the same retracement target. And so from here, by the way, maybe the 50% on that one because the wave 2 was a bit small, but for now it's just too early to determine this because we need to get the smaller wave, the right smaller wave. We don't even know if we're going to stop here, if we're going to push higher, so we need to get this first. And then again, it's very simple. You pull your extension tool again from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 4 bottom, and boom, these are going to be the targets. But for now, it's just too early to determine this, as I said. So yeah, these are the two different configurations we have on this asset. Sorry if I speak a bit fast in this update. It's just that I will have some few configurations. I don't want to end these videos for a while, really. I'm going to make this really quick. I'm trying to make the updates a bit faster, within 10 minutes. So you don't have to watch a 20 minutes update really every day and all the time. So yeah, anyway, these are the two different configurations really you have right now. Either this impulsive done after that, and so in that case we'll have done the wave 5 top, either this bigger and longer stuff we can make really with some much more bigger impulsive in there, and so in that case we can rise and keep rising and keep rising and rise really big. Don't forget still the higher time frame targets. Okay, the higher time frame targets are the following ones: 1618, we can still spend some time around there and then retrace, it's possible. But now if we start being in between, we should normally stop from the 2618. The 2618, what do we have in confluence with this? We simply have the previous high here. I'm gonna go on the level chart so you can see really everything here. So we are coming to a bit of a zone of resistance. So for example, that's why we can be into the wave, you know, the blue wave 3 top and then retrace for the wave 4. It depends what we do again here. For example, we can absolutely just go through and flip everything into support. For example, get a good scalp short, go through, flip to support, bam, continue higher. And for example, just break like this, or maybe, for example, what we can do here is simply do the wave 3 top, retrace for the wave 4, maybe in here, flip to support, continue higher. For example, we have to see what Bitcoin also is doing at the same time, everything really. join the Discord server again to determine, to know what we can expect really here. Maybe I'm not going to trade it, maybe I'm going to trade it, I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, so here with the 2618, you can see is here of the wave 5 of the white wave 5 here. Okay, these are the targets of the wave 5. This is a wave 5. These are the targets of the wave 5 here, 1618, 2618, with the confidence, with the levels. So if we have to push higher, first of all, we have the monthly here exactly with the 2618, so be aware of that. But if we start breaking through this, we're simply going to look for this weekly level around $18 up to the swing flip at that top, and maybe even this one here. Okay, so this is really the confidence you have with this target, so you can really know exactly where you have to look for a short. Of course, don't forget to do your smaller wave count into the wave. You really have to keep rising and rising. Just do your smaller wave count and you will find everything. Okay, anyway, that is 10 minutes now, so I'm going to end this video. So I really hope you enjoyed. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel, to turn notifications. This is the way you can thank me for doing these updates. So yeah, have a brilliant day, take care of you, and don't forget also to check out our website mooncharts.fr. You have some courses there waiting for you for absolutely free, a beginner course, a network free course. You have also a Gazette panel here, a new feature. I let you pause the screen and read this. And you also have this nice stuff here for the master roles on the Discord server, and you of course have some more advanced course for people that really want to go more with more and more content. And you of course have some resources for you to that are waiting for you really to download for free and for apprentice. So just go and check this out. Really, you have everything on the mooncharts.fr website waiting for you. Anyway, have a brilliant day, take care of you, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.